Hi there, Kim here. I hope you're doing fantastically well. We're having glorious weather, I hope anyway. It's the start of the summer here. Just to let you know, I'm going to do medieval bell sleeves. I've been looking it all up online and there's a historical way of doing things, but I'm not going to do the historical way of doing things. I want to be able to do bell sleeves with adjustableness so you can use it for any outfit or add it to additional outfits and whatever that you've got, right? So this is my design. I like the way she's in the forest there. And I have this top and I have this skirt, right? But as you can see, when I add these bell sleeves, and they're going to be opened, I'm going to put some lace around the edges, but I think in hindsight I don't want to put it in the seam area there where it's open, because I think it'd be too heavy looking, because I want to adjust it up here. So up here round the arm I want to use some, wait for it, some elastic, right, so that you can put it up here or put it down at your elbow and have it dangling down. But my sleeves are going to be pretty much this shape here. So it's going to be a rectangle shape, and then this part will be curved so it has that nice drape effect. A lot of people do like a pointed sleeve and all that. No, I'm going to use a metre worth of fabric, and the fabric is like a lace material, and I'll show you it right now. But this is what I'm going for, and hopefully it'll all fit in okay and it'll look okay, and just have a crown or whatever, or flowers, whatever you want, you know. So let's see what's happening next. So as you can see, this is my design, and also I've got a cloak here for this one. She's maybe going to wear a cloak underneath, so I'm just trying to work out a few things, and just some details around the edges, maybe a Celtic design or something. I'll work that out if I'm going to do that. It gives you a rough idea of these sleeves I was talking about. And like I say, I'm going to use a metre worth of fabric. So this is the fabric. So it's a lovely floral type paisley design, is that? And then this is the lace. So the lace will go around the edge. I think it'll look really nice, really pretty. So yeah. So can't wait. Well, hi there again. Well, we're continuing on with our sleeves. I've actually done one of the sleeves, but we'll see how we get on. I'll just show you. This is what's going to go around the sleeve part. And I know it looks like a weird shape, but it isn't. Because when you're putting it together, this is how it drapes, and then this goes around your sleeve, right? So I'm just in the middle of doing the hem, right? So got our pins going on here, and it's a curved shape like I told you before. I'll just show you again. And I'm just going to do a running stitch. So the running stitch is a bit easier to work with this fabric because it's quite stretchy fabric, and then we're putting the lace over the top, so it won't matter. So this is our curve. You can see here. So it'll drape like this. So it drapes quite well. Very free flowing.